Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change default messages application on Samsung S25. Let's begin. So, first we want to go into the settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down and enter apps, which are right here. Now go to choose default apps. And here we have the SMS application. We can click on it, and I unfortunately do not have other messages application installed, but as you can see, if you would have those, then they would appear in the list right here, and you would be able to change them, to change the application for whatever you want. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.